Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and the immense hype surrounding it. Major tech companies have poured vast sums of money into AI, signaling a massive financial commitment to this technology. However, despite these investments, there's a notable lack of visible revolutionary advancements. This leads us to a critical discussion about the disparity between AI hype and actual technological progress. Let's take a closer look at the current state of AI. Despite the massive influx of cash into AI, there's little evidence of the promised AI revolution. Tech companies assert that AI is on the cusp of becoming significantly more powerful, but current developments do not reflect these claims. A recent study has pointed out a looming shortage of training data, which is critical for developing more advanced AI models. This shortage could limit future improvements in AI technologies. Moreover, the financial burden of running AI services is substantial. For instance, OpenAI's ChatGPT reportedly loses $700,000 daily. New versions of AI such as GPT-4 offer incremental improvements but fail to deliver the revolutionary changes promised. Now, let's address some skepticism and criticism surrounding AI. There are instances where AI applications seem more like marketing gimmicks than useful technologies. For example, Apple's feature to turn photos into emojis, and Google's AI providing bizarre answers to simple questions.
There's a growing suspicion that AI might be another overhyped tech trend, akin to crypto and the metaverse. The hype primarily serves to boost stock prices rather than deliver real innovation.
This sentiment is echoed by many who question whether AI truly is the next big thing or just another bubble waiting to burst.
Let's talk about the concept of the rot economy. It's a system where growth is pursued at all costs, often leading to deteriorating product quality and user experience.
How does this affect tech companies?
Well, companies like Facebook and Google prioritize demonstrating growth to Wall Street, even at the expense of product quality. Take Facebook, for instance. Its interface has become increasingly cluttered, and user satisfaction is declining.
That's quite concerning. Can you elaborate on how they manipulate metrics?
Sure. Tech companies often manipulate user metrics to present an illusion of growth, even as actual user engagement declines. It's a way to keep investors happy while the real value diminishes.
Thank you for shedding light on this critical issue.
Facebook has really changed over the years. It's become, overrun with ads and irrelevant content. This shift has, unfortunately, reduced its functionality and enjoyment for users. The platform's relentless focus on growth has led to a noticeable decline in genuine user engagement and satisfaction. It's like people just don't feel the same connection they used to. And then there are the scam issues. Facebook groups are increasingly plagued with scams, which just further illustrates the platform's degradation. Users are frequently encountering fraudulent customer service interactions, which honestly indicates some significant internal problems. It's a real shame to see how far it's fallen. AI's real potential. While there are indeed practical uses of AI in automation and enterprise solutions, we must highlight the mismatch between the promised capabilities of AI and its current reality.
Absolutely. The economic impact is also something to consider. If AI fails to live up to the hype, tech companies might face significant challenges.
Sustainability issues. The relentless focus on growth at the expense of sustainability is unsustainable. Without genuine innovation, companies like Meta could experience severe downturns.
Right, and a market correction is possible if the AI hype bubble bursts. This could have widespread economic consequences, given tech's substantial influence on the stock market.
Despite the potential for a market correction, I am optimistic about newer startups focusing on sustainability and practical innovation. These companies could lead to a more balanced and resilient tech industry.
That's a great point. And as we wrap up, I encourage our listeners to support the show and stay tuned for details about our upcoming events. Tech companies' desperation. We're seeing how tech companies are increasingly desperate to prove AI's value, leading to absurd marketing stunts and inflated promises.
Regulatory pressures. Yes. And there's speculation about potential regulatory actions, especially from the EU, that could curb the unchecked growth and hype of AI technologies.
Cultural impact. Let's not forget the cultural impact of tech companies' business practices. They significantly influence public perception and societal norms.
Detailed breakdown of key points.
AI hype and investment. Despite enormous investments, actual advancements are modest. Companies like OpenAI and Google promise revolutionary changes, but current technology does not reflect these promises.
Training data. Limitations. AI models require vast amounts of data for training. A study indicates that the availability of this data may soon be exhausted, limiting future improvements.
Financial burdens and skepticism. Running AI services like ChatGPT is extremely costly, with significant daily losses.
Skepticism. There is growing skepticism about the practical utility of AI, with many viewing it as another tech trend driven more by marketing than by genuine innovation.
The concept of the rot economy. The rot economy refers to a system focused on growth at any cost, often resulting in the degradation of product quality and user experience.
Examples. Facebook and Google are cited as prime examples, prioritizing growth metrics over user satisfaction.
Decline of Facebook. Facebook's user experience has deteriorated due to an overabundance of ads and irrelevant content.
Internal problems. The platform is plagued by scams and fraudulent customer service interactions, indicating deeper internal issues.
AI's practical applications and economic impact. AI has practical applications in areas like automation but falls short of the revolutionary capabilities often touted.
Economic implications. The broader economic impact of AI investments is significant, with potential challenges if AI fails to meet expectations.
Future predictions for tech companies. The relentless focus on growth is unsustainable. Without genuine innovation, companies like Meta may face severe downturns.
Market correction. A potential market correction could occur if the AI hype bubble bursts, with widespread economic consequences.
Conclusion and optimism. Despite potential challenges, there is optimism about newer startups focusing on sustainability and practical innovations.
Support and events. We encourage listeners to support the show and stay informed about upcoming events.
Additional insights. Tech companies are increasingly desperate to prove AI's value, leading to exaggerated claims and marketing stunts.
Regulatory impact. Potential regulatory actions, especially from the EU, could significantly impact the AI industry.
Cultural impact. The cultural implications of tech companies' business practices are significant, influencing public perception and societal norms.